we're going to show you how to add in a Pico control for a triathlon battery operated roller shade. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to tap that programming button, that little button there. And so we tap the button, we get a solid light. Then we go to the control and we hold the close button. That light's going to start flashing. That control is now programmed to operate this shade. Let's try it. Yep. Now, if in fact you wanted to change the control or you implemented this control in error, the only way to remove this control, you have to reset the motor. Now, in order to reset the motor, you go back to that programming button and you have to do what's called a triple tap. 1, 2, 3, and you hold it on the third tap until you get a flashing light. Then you tap it one more time, 1, 2, 3, and release. It'll go through some button flashes, and then at the end, when there's no more lights, that control is now removed and it's reset. So the control will not operate that motor. Okay, let's add it back in. You're going to tap that button, you get a solid light. You're going to hold the close button on your Pico. You're going to get a flashing light. As soon as that light stops flashing, now the control is now programmed for that unit.